But if I tell you that you can improve your trading to a very far extent by using these five websites that we are going to see today, I guarantee you must be using some of them already, but the ones which you are not using will be helpful for you. So let's get directly into the video without any further delay. But before starting, please make sure to subscribe the channel and click on the ring with the all button here and subscribe the channel to make sure you get all the notifications and watch all these videos for your own knowledge. So the first website is, as you expected it, TradingView. I think so we don't need any new introduction to TradingView. TradingView is one of the most popular trading websites used for charting, which is almost flawless. You can trade strategies over here, you can create strategies, you can do a lot of things. So it needs no new introduction. If you want a specific video on how to use TradingView, please let me know in the comment section. The next and the most important website for anyone is Money Control. Now you would ask, why moneycontrol.com? Why do we need moneycontrol.com? The simple answer to your question is, you get all the updated live news over here. You get all the new, like, whatever update you need. If you want a dedicated video on how to exactly use trading moneycontrol.com, I will make sure to make a video on that one. If you see, we have got everything over here: stock actions, news, politics, portfolio, commodities, which mutual fund is giving how many returns, the forum for talking on different things. So I think visiting Money Control can improve your knowledge significantly relating to the markets. Now, the next but most neglected website is NSE India. I am telling you, this website has a lot of knowledge you can take from here. You can see about NSE group companies, what products and services are being offered. Then you can see pre-open market securities available for trading. If you see over here the new announcement, this is the main place where you can see all the things related to the market. And this is official website from NSE. You can see top gainers and losers, and I guess many of you must be seeing this website, but there are a lot more users than what you think. If you want a dedicated video for nseindia.com, then make sure to tell me in the comment section so I make it for you. So the next one is Varsity by Zerodha. This is one of the education forums started by the leading brokerage firm in India. Here you get to know everything. This is for you if you are a very beginner and want to know what market exactly is. So if you want that knowledge, you can start by reading from 1 and up to 12. You can even download their app. All the links for these websites will be posted below in the description section. So please go and make sure to check that. Now, Varsity provides a lot of knowledge if you are new to you. So make sure if you are a new starter, then you can visit here and see whatever modules are available. Now, the next part is very important. This website called Trading Q&A, again by Zerodha, is going to help you to chat with other traders, gain knowledge. This is the best place if you want the real practical knowledge. Here you can post questions. What you need to do is see here. You can see here as you have to sign up, fill in all your details, and you're good to go. Here you can get all the data, like if you want to ask about anything relating to trading. For FNO there are different questions, general categories, many things. You can see currency options, everything is there. You ask a question and you get reply, maybe sometimes from Zerodha or from someone else. You can chat here and definitely increase your knowledge. So let's go in a fast recap. TradingView you can use for TradingView you can use for your knowledge increment. Money Control you can use for news and many other things. If you want a dedicated video for money control, please let me know in the comment section. nseindia.com, you can use it for much knowledge. Everything relating to the Indian markets is available over here. If you want anything, you can directly come here. Everything that you want. If you want, I will make a dedicated video for NSE as well. Then there is Varsity by Zerodha. Here you get the basics knowledge. If you are a beginner, this website is good to go for you. And this is trading Q&A. Whether you are a beginner or expert, you can chat with other traders, ask your doubt relating to anything. So make sure to sign up over here. And I would like to make clear, nothing is affiliated over here. Whatever the links I will be posting will be direct of the websites, and there is no affiliate marketing involved in this. So as we are done with the 5 websites, I would like you to go in the description section. No need to note them down. I've written down all of them. If you like this video, please make sure to like it, like the button over there below somewhere on the video. Let me see. And this is TradingView. Of course, you will be familiar. Please let me in the comment section which websites you are not familiar with. With the people who are most of the people, when if they are not familiar with a specific website, I will make a dedicated video for it. I make sure that if you use these websites properly, it will help to increase your trading efficiency. So I expect your support, and today we will end the video over here. We will be back with another video. Please make sure to subscribe the channel and use these websites for your own betterment. Thank you for watching the video.